Hello and welcome to Kaun Banega Smart Buyers. In this video, we are going to see about top 5 earphones in the market. At the spot 5 we have Portronics Harmonic Twins 2. The Portronics Harmonic Twins 2 earphones are truly wireless earphones that are equipped with the power of Bluetooth 5.0 BLE technology. It supports fast pairing and seamless connectivity up to a distance of 33 feet. The noise detection technology enables you to listen music without any disturbance from the surroundings. It comes with 3 size of earbuds to ensure a comfortable and secure fit for all the ear types. The main features of these earbuds are the earphones are equipped with the most powerful efficient Bluetooth 5.0 BLE technology. It comes with 3 size of earbuds, making it suitable for all the ear types. It comes with noise reduction technology also, and this earphone feature 40 MHz built-in batteries. The pros of these earphones are the powerful audio drivers ensure clear bass sound. The powerful efficient Bluetooth technology supports fast connect to up to a distance of 33 feet. The earbuds ensure a comfortable and secure fit. And at the spot 4 we have Noise Shots Neo Truly Wireless In-Ear Earphones. The Noise Shots Neo Truly Wireless In-Ear Headphones are equipped with the Bluetooth 5.0 technology that ensures quick pairing. The stylish and lightweight earbuds feature 9mm speaker drivers that provide a balanced sound for an enjoyable music listening experience. They also include a compact and sleek charging case that ensures the total playback time of 18 hours. The full touch control allows you to enjoy hand-free calling. Moreover, you can also answer or reject calls, play or pause music and activate Siri or Google Assistant with the touch of a button. The main features of these headphones are they come with 9mm speaker drivers. The earbuds include a sleek and compact charging case. The earphones enables you to switch between dual or mono modes with ease. The available colors are jet black and icy white. The pros of these earphones are the earphones allows you to enjoy a clear and balanced sound. The charging case makes them easily portable. The earphones support the quick pairing. And at the spot 3 we have VCool Moonwalk X In-Ear True Wireless Earphones. The VCool Moonwalk X In-Ear Wireless Headphones utilizes the Bluetooth 5.0 technology to ensure automatic pairing and seamless connectivity up to a 10-meter range. The lightweight earphones also support hand-free calling and voice assistance for your convenience. The sound quality is exceptional and top-notch in terms of enjoyability and accuracy. The well-defined bass and treble provide a fully balanced audio experience that will immerse you in the world of music. The main features are they come with extra ear tips to fit in your ears. They ensure a playtime of 4 to 5 years on a single charge. The earphones freely built-in mic for hands-free calling. The Bluetooth ranges from 10 meters. The earbuds have an ergonomic and an anti-fall out design. The pros are the design minimizes ear canal fatigue and pressure points for a comfortable and long music listening session. The sounds and quality of the earphones is top-notch in terms of accuracy. They will come with a passive noise cancellation feature. And at the spot 2 we have Holy Hi VV1 Bluetooth Wireless Earphones. The Holy Hi VV1 wireless earphones are equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It ensures a seamless and stable connection with faster transmission speed, allowing smooth and continuous music for up to 20 hours. The earbuds are extremely lightweight and are designed to ensure a comfortable fit at all the times. The one-tap control enables you to activate various functions including rejecting or answering a call, play or pause a song, adjust the volume and activate voice assistant. The main features are The earbuds support an IPX6 waterproof rating for protection from sweat and water splash. They are extremely lightweight and come with 3 different sizes of soft ear tips. It allows you to switch between mono or stereo modes freely. The earphones comes with smart one-tap control for multiple functions. The pros of these earphones are: the earbuds fit comfortably. The 4-microphone technology offers hand-free calls with stereo quality sound. The earphones ensure smooth and continuous music with crystal clear audio quality. And at the spot one we have Boat AirPods 311 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. The Boat is a leading manufacturer of all the wireless headphones and Bluetooth speakers. These Boat AirPods are truly wireless earphones that are powered by the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. They ensure seamless and strong connectivity at a 10-meter range. The premium high-tech earphones ensures adaptive and comfortable fit. The charging case also manages to keep the earphones safe while making them easily portable. It features a built-in mic and multi-touch controls for easy access to a voice assistant. The main features of these earphones are the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology powers the truly wireless earphones. It comes with the two 6mm drivers that ensures HD audio quality. It comes with integrated controls and a built-in mic. The earphones feature a premium high-tech and ergonomic design. The Bluetooth ranges from 10 meters and the colors are active black, midnight blue and raging red. And the pros are: the easy access controls allows you to activate voice assistants. The ergonomic design with hooks ensures an adaptive fit. It allows hand-free communication with stereo calling.